As I was growing up, very often this interesting moment played out. Mother makes excellent दाल मखनी. मैंने एक दिन पूछा, यार what do you add to your दाल मखनी? इतनी मजेदार तो कहीं नहीं मिलती. I add आंवला पाउडर. कितना कैसे डाल? जरा सा डाल देते हैं. And I'm like, my God, what is it जरा सा? It has happened to all of us. When you are assisting someone in the kitchen, all of these people, these experts in cooking seem to have some secret language, which starts with zara sa, which goes through thoda sa, is chota sa. There is no way of learning this, right? So here's what we are going to do. If Dilishab has a weighing scale, I want to see if I can standardize chutki bhar, right? Let's get started. My hand is some salt, and here in my right hand is a chutki. And now this chutki is going to form, and it's going to throw some namak in there, and we are hopefully going to see some magic. I'm going to, that is namak. And I don't know what number has come up. I will take it to 0. I will again do some chutki. Right? Something has come up. Okay, I will again do this chutki. Mind you, I can't see what is happening because the makers of this video asked me to sit down. We have done this thrice. Did we manage to hit the same number 3 times?
Yes.
Excellent. Tells you something, right? Mother chutki bhar namak can actually be measured. It is measured. I have some onions. What I will try and do is, I will pick all these chote se onion. And I will see if chota sa onion actually translates to some number, or is there some afwah. Let me first do these 2 onions, right? I will put the first one. It is some weight. I don't know how much weight it is. I hope you guys are able to see. I will put another one. This is also some weight. I hope you guys are able to see. What were the 2 weights?
62, 68.
Which tells you something about these 2 onions, right? When someone says medium size onion, you can actually quantify that really well. So gone are the days of YouTube recipes where professional chefs would tell you, छोटा सा प्याज ले लीजिए. Because छोटा सा प्याज has a number to it. Medium sized प्याज also seems to have a number to it. What does this one weigh actually? I'm very curious about this. 130. Very interesting. It's almost as if you could use these 2 onions and you could replace this with this onion. Let's move forward. Let's actually go to maybe liquids. Here's the mug. I will bring this down to 0 so that weight of the mug is not here. Again, I can't see what is happening on the weighing scale. I will just fill it to some level. And and what I will do is, there is some weight that has come up here. I don't want to see what that weight is. I will dump it in this ugly looking vessel that's behind. People don't want to, these editors don't want me to show what is this ugly looking vessel because they're like, शोभा खराब हो जाती है कैमरा के शॉट. चलो अब मैंने सीक्रेट काटना. Right? I have put in some more of this. I will again put this inside. And एक third time इसको करेंगे. मैं कोशिश क्या कर रहा हूँ? The thing I'm trying to fill up the mug to a certain level. And basically we are trying to see यार उतना आता है नहीं आता है. Is it the same volume? Actually, I'm not even really minding the levels. I'm just saying, right? You want to tell me how much of the 3 weights were we close?
Second was 289, third was 290.
Excellent. Here's the beauty of human estimation. Your eyeball sort of weights, or your eyeball sorts of size, correspond really closely to weights, right? Which, good news for all beginner cooks out there, means that every single recipe which says छोटा सा प्याज, इतना सा पानी, चुटकी भर नमक can actually be translated very precisely into weights. Which is why there is a weighing scale of the Dilishab. Which is why I no longer can cook without a weighing scale.